So look at this. These came today from Amazon. These are attachments for my multi-tool. And what they do is they're a multi-knife for soft material. I'm going to use these to break down all my boxes. So recently, we've had a lot of deliveries for lounges and TVs, and they've come in a lot of boxes, and we need to break them down, and scissors or Stanley knives aren't cutting it. No pun intended. So what I'm going to do today is use this soft material bit for my multi-tool, and hopefully this allows me to break down all my boxes quite quickly. Let's check it out. What you can do is you can either push or pull. This part here is the pull, this part here is the push. So we can pull it, or we can push it. Best thing about this is you're not going to cut yourself if you slip as well. What I have noticed is these boxes being out in the rain, and the wet parts of the box don't cut that well. However, the dry parts of the box cut really well. So like I said, I didn't know these existed. So if that's something that can help you, check it out. See ya.